When people ask me if I went to film school, I tell them no, I went to film. If you want a happy ending, that depends, of course, on where you stop your story. A story should have a beginning, a middle, and an end, but not necessarily in that order. Cinema is a matter of what's in the frame and what's out. Cinema should make you forget you are sitting in a theater. The sound and music are 50% of the entertainment in a movie. Filmmaking is a chance to live many lifetimes. You know what your problem is. It's that you have not seen enough movies. All of life's riddles are answered in the movies. Acting is not about being famous, it's about exploring the human soul. The difference between life and the movies is that a script has to make sense and life does not. The length of a film should be directly related to the endurance of the human bladder.